Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a new vlog. I looked the same in the last vlog. I ended the vlog and now I'm starting a new one. And I'm starting it now because I look decent and I can't promise you that I'll look this nice the rest of the week. I'm filming. There's my setup right there. And this is how my room typically looks when I film. It's always a hot mess. Like literally. Started me. My freaking key card is cracked. So I want to go get something to eat. It's just not. It is my day today. It's just stressing me out. Hopefully Waves is open. But I'm not sure. Okay. I'm gonna go to Waves and let's see if it's open. I was gonna cut it, but hopefully it's open. If it is, I'll show you guys inside. Oh, you guys wanna see? Hold on. But I'm going to the elevator. Campus is dead. This is literally it on the weekends. I don't know where everybody's at, but yeah. All right, good morning, guys. Why did I say all right? Anyways, good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. It is currently 8 o'clock. I don't have class until 11. I woke up at 6:30 this morning. I wake up 6:30 every morning. I had a hard day yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. I had a funeral. I had somebody pass my family, and the funeral was yesterday. I didn't go, but so yeah, that was pretty tough. But I did manage to get a couple things done. What did I do? Okay, so I planned out, I want to show you guys this because this is stuff like I like to see. Hopefully it'll motivate you guys. It is the 1st of February today. Happy Black History Month. Today, well, I know you guys aren't saying this today, but in the beginning of the month is a really good time to realign yourself with your goals from the new year, or even if you haven't wrote any goals, to set some goals, set some new goals, just to like really check in with yourself, see your progress, what you want to fix, what you want to do better on. So I have a schedule I wrote out today. Hold on, let me flip the camera. And I need to make the first vlog go live. I'm going to do that before class. I'm going to set that at 3 o'clock. So my posting schedule will be Monday. Mondays will be vlog day. Then it'll be Wednesday and Sunday, either hair, lifestyle, or beauty. But I am going to do at least one hair video a week, of course. So, yeah, I just really wanted to update you guys on that. Let me show you guys something else, too. So, I have on Google, let me show you. All right, so this is my schedule. I usually just keep it listed as schedule, and then I fill in as needed throughout the day, whatever I need to do. So as you see this morning, this is my plan. This is what I did. So right now I'm kind of in that 8 o'clock block where I need to have breakfast, clean, do whatever I need to do before class at 11. Then after that, I have an appointment to work out at 12 that I set yesterday. I need to do at least one Instagram, at least one TikTok. I have a lot of stuff everywhere because I wasn't able to finish my TikTok yesterday. And then I just have some assignments right here that I need to do. And then I did want to say one more thing. I'm doing a fast this month. I am doing no sugar. It's nothing religious. It's nothing to be nothing. It's just something that I wanted to do. I've been really practicing self-discipline this year. And I think this would be a good way to really test my limits. So I am doing no sugar the whole month of February. And I think February is a good month to add a new habit, change some ways, because it's the shortest month of the year, I think. So, hopefully that motivates you guys. Hopefully you're feeling good on this Monday morning. I love Mondays. I love waking up early. I have really adapted to this new routine, even though it's only been a week. I just really need to work on turning in my work because last week I missed an assignment and I kind of got beat up about it, but it's whatever. It's kind of hard because the assignment, I missed the assignment for my side class, and that class is 100% online. And I just have to lean more into that class. So I wrote out like everything that's due, all the due dates. Because I have like the big dates in my planner. But I have a weekly thing where I have all my assignments, and I had that all on a piece of paper, but sometimes I didn't have the paper on me, but I always have my computer. So I've been trying to do that online, like not online, but like on my computer. But some things I need to write down on a pen and paper. So like when I manifest in the morning, that's what I do. And I haven't been vlogging in the mornings because that's me time. Like that's really sacred to me. I don't talk to anybody. I don't do anything. That's my time to cater to myself, because the rest of the day I'm going to be doing something for the school to get my degree. And I guess it's for myself too, but you know what I mean. But this clip is really long, and my last vlog was kind of really long, so I'm going to go.
Can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having.
I love food. That's my problem. Oh yeah, a lot of you guys seem like really interested in like my weight journey or whatever. I had a couple people ask me like, how did I gain all this weight? This right here, girl. I was eating. That was it. Ate whenever, however I wanted. Sooner than later, you start seeing it. So, yeah. I've been doing, for like my actual weight loss, so far I've lost about like 10 pounds overall. I go to the gym, I eat as best as I can. I try not to do like fad diets or diets at all, because I don't want to just do something temporarily. I do want to make like a lifestyle change, as cliche as it sounds. But yeah, I've been doing pretty good. Like this year is really like my year. Like, it's like I was tired of seeing the same, like, okay, every year I write down the same like 3 goals for the new year, and it's time I actually like get to it. Not that I've been this chunky, because I'm skinny. Oh gosh. So I just sat in the same seat for 4 hours, so tired, I had to come back, take a quiz. Now I'm eating. I made a soup the other day. I literally have to go back to class. I only have like less than an hour break. I have to go back at 1:30. I'm currently watching Sophie and Chintzia. Like, look at their face. Like, what's going on here? But I'm gonna watch this, and I'll see y'all later.
Guys, we're gonna try grapefruit real quick, because I heard it's like really filling, has some good benefits, and I don't think I've had one. So we're gonna try it on camera. I already peeled it. I don't know, like I'm super hungry right now. I don't know if it was because I was sitting for so long in one space, but I'm hungry. I just ate a whole bowl of soup. Look, empty. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, this is perfect. Okay, I have a little piece right here. Does anybody else have to smell it first? That's nasty. Didn't I try grapefruit last vlog? What was it? The bubbly? That's nasty, guys. I gotta go. Check on me tonight. I'm in decom by myself, apparently. I don't see anybody. I have to pee really bad. Really bad. But I'm going out with Brittany. Well, we're not going out. I'm going to Walmart. And Kohl's, because I need to return something. They have that Amazon thing where you can return stuff. I have to pay. Oh gosh, I have to keep walking. Oh boy, like. What is that song? Like. Oh, that's too loud. Good morning, guys. Oh, you can barely see me. Good morning. It's cold, and I have raspberries and a piece of, what is that? Raspberries and a question I need to answer for a class that starts at 9:30. And I have about an hour to get my life together. I'm cold. I have my moisturizing. Look, let me show you. I really like this lip sauce.
lip gloss from the hair store. The lip oil hydrating treatment gloss. What is that? Is that hair? Y'all, I just left the gym. That's literally it right there. I don't know if you guys can see that big clear building. And I lifted for the first time today. It was an experience. I really enjoyed it. I'm feeling on top of the moon right now. So, see you when I get back to my room. Just wanted to tell you guys that. I was gonna take the elevator, but we're gonna get all the gains that we can. Stairs, here we go.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best.
Okay, so I just finished washing all the dishes. I cleaned the bathroom. I haven't vlogged my bathroom yet. There's all the trash. I cleaned up my skincare. My good sis taught me this. Oh my gosh, Julie Donovan. Girl, if you're watching this, you're the OG, because I was never cleaning my skincare, like cleaning it off, like the actual bottles. And it makes so much sense now that I think about it. I'm actually watching her right now. Can y'all see? Go subscribe. Okay? That's my girl. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish watching. I missed her last upload too, so I have to go watch that. So I'm gonna watch those. Oh wow, that video did good. Aw, I love seeing you guys do good. That's amazing. But I'm going, y'all, do y'all see that scab right there? I shouldn't be touching my face because I just touched on some cleaner, so let me not. But what is that? Anyways, I'm thinking about I don't know what I'm talking about. I'll see you later. I said I was gonna see you guys on Saturday, but I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm sitting here, minding my own business. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I put y'all right here every time, but I was like, I just have a break. You know, you clean and you be like, all right, child, I need a break. Okay, take a break. I get on Twitter. Mistake numero uno. Why? I decided to take a break. I get on my phone, and Trey Songz wants to be doing dirty things on the internet. Apparently his video got leaked. I promise you, I open my phone and that's what I see. I don't want to do that. I don't. Rose, somebody just called me. I don't know who that is. Oh yeah, Trey Songz. I don't want to see, what's that song he be singing? There we go, love faces. I don't want to go on the internet and see you making your love faces. The song was just enough, Trey Songz. I really do appreciate it. I don't want to see it. I don't. You know? Do what you do. I just why can't you do what you do and just not have your phone out? But I guess people need that. Look at Kim. She's doing great. She's doing amazing for herself. So, anyways, I'm gonna go bleach my eyeballs. Made it to the trash room. Ooh, hold on. I can't do this with one hand. Woo! Sorry, guys. It's beautiful. Oh, it's not. Here we go. Gorgeous outside.
Cultural differences, you stigmatize them based on these differences, and then you say, oh, that person is Muslim. That person is.
Oh, I did the little iOS 14 thing. It's not really finished, but I'll show you guys like somewhere on the screen right now. Probably right there. How it looks so far. I don't know. I have to play around with it still, but this is what it's looking like right now. Makeup is done. This is it. It's nothing crazy. It's exactly what I always do. I just don't have on lashes. I was trying to do the lash thing, but I just don't. I don't think it's for me, sus. I don't. So, yeah, this is face. I want a new nose ring. I have a couple. Let me try them on. All right, so I have you guys at this weird angle because I'm about to set up. You know my mess? Because I just got ready. You know how that goes. First things first. I don't remember. I liked my setup last time, but I don't remember exactly how I had it. So I'm looking at my old video. So it looks like I just had this. Whew. She was right there. I need my books. My ring light is already right here. I do need to fix the bottom of it. Then I have one of my tripods, but that's not the tripod I need. But I'm gonna have this tripod out. What? Oh, hold on. Oh, I can't just. That's perfect. I'm gonna be making a TikTok while I'm making my what? While I'm making my YouTube video, so I need this out. I have 2 more tripods over here. I'm just gonna take this one. This is the one that I typically use for my camera. This is Sunpack. If you go to my Amazon store, I have pretty much all of my filming equipment or stuff that's very similar to my filming equipment. I film with my Canon 80, no, not 80. What am I talking about? I film with the EOS T7i. I was looking at the 80D the other day, so I said that. But yeah, I film my Canon on for my vlog. I just film my phone because I'm not whipping this out. I'm literally just gonna screw this on here. Woo! Whoops. And then, last but not least, I have this light that I like to use. It diffuses the light. So that's why the quality on my videos. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's look. Just from changing a light, my videos the quality has went like crazy good. Like, let's see, my hair's done. Okay, do you see that? Now let's go to an older video with my hair. Look, the last video I did. This is just with the ring light itself. Which the ring light I do like, and it does do a really good job. Honestly, I don't think anything tops sunlight, but the way my room is set up, I just can't do that. But you see the difference? Crazy, right? But honestly, either way, because some of these videos, I don't remember which one. One looked really good with my ring light. But see, like this one I did, this is natural lighting for the most part. You see how clear that looks? So it really just depends on what you're looking for. What's your vibe? This one kind of just seems a little warm for me. So I have to figure that out. But yeah. So this is it. This is a setup. I have my camera right here, my light, and then my ring light behind it. My ring light is really just lighting up the background. I'm going to push it further back. And then this light is going to light up me and what you're really looking at. Because I'm the star of the show, I know. And then I just have my camera here, my 2 tripods. I do have another tripod just in case. Because sometimes my tripods be down bad. Remember, I didn't have a tripod, so now I'm not complaining that I have 15. I do want to show you guys right there. I do have a chair. That's just where, like, when I need to put stuff down and pick it back up, you know what I'm saying? Like when I'm doing my hair, my brush, the products and stuff like that. I need to fix my lips. Do I look crazy? I don't think I look that crazy. But, yeah, I'm gonna film. That's my setup. Are y'all feeling a nose ring? Should I put the other one back on? Wait. Hold on. Let me show y'all the difference. Not the difference, but... Oh, this... I didn't put the camera in, the battery in. But, do y'all see the difference? Does it not matter? I don't know. The life of filming. I'm literally in the middle of making the video. And somehow this falls, but what I don't understand is, how does it fall the proper way, but stuff is still... I don't get it. Thank you guys for watching this week's video, this week's vlog. I really appreciate you guys so much. And I'll see you guys next week. Toodles.